Hi everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be making this bonsai pot here. So this is my second attempt. So it turned out a lot better than the first attempt, and I decided to go for an octagonal pot. So here's the finished product, and I actually decided to put some feet on this one as well. So if you're interested in seeing how I made that, stay tuned. And I'll get back to you in a sec. We'll make a start on making this. There's not going to be a lot of talking in this video. Most of it's time lapse, so it should be quite relaxing. So just sit back, relax, and watch me make this large octagonal bonsai pot.
Okay, so this is what I'm using for my profile mould to make this bonsai pot. This is just a section that I've cut out of a cat litter tray that had a crack in it. So I cut out two sides the same, and then removed the notch at the bottom there to account for the wood and to account for the thickness of the pot. So I'll just show you what I'm talking about here. So this is the sand mould, so I've notched in the bottom. However thick you want to make your pot, I'd recommend about at least 1 centimetre if you're using concrete. Any thinner than that and you're likely to get cracks appear. But we will be reinforcing the pot. So anyway guys, so we'll get cracking. This will be the last time I talk.
Okay, everyone. We made this pot in this video. I think it turned out really well. Turned out much better than my first attempt. Still didn't get it quite as smooth as I wanted. I think maybe I need to do a layer of just pure cement on the outside, just so then I can sand it nice and smooth. And there's a few little bits of string where I pushed the holes through. So I need to watch where I put the string, make sure I leave space for the holes. And also there's a couple of little, there's a little hole there, just where I didn't fill that bit in when I was doing it. Obviously didn't notice that bit. But other than that, it's turned out pretty good. It's not too heavy. It's quite heavy, but it's not too thick. It's only about a centimetre and a half thick. If you're interested in the mould that I used, all it is a piece of cat litter tray or something similar. As long as it's relatively tough plastic, but quite flexible. You just cut out a section. I find it easier to cut it if you warm up the plastic first. So get a hot bowl of water or something, and then cut it. Just stops it being so brittle. And you just basically you cut out this like the side on view. So you cut out the section that you want for your pot, and then for the inside, all you do is take a notch out for the wood, and also notch it in the thickness that you want your pot to be. So then we're making the sand mould about a centimetre and a half smaller than the pot mould. And that's all there is to it. You can do all different designs. You can put fancy little edges in, or whatever you fancy, really. So anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. I do apologise if you was expecting me to be explaining the process, but I think it turns out quite well if I just time lapse the whole thing. And maybe I'll put some music on it or something. We have to see what I've done. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope you'll subscribe if you haven't done so yet. I'll see you on the next one. Have a great week.